My viewer, good evening. Today we are into biology and we are going to discuss the another class of the plant, the gymnosperm. In our last class, we discussed the pteridophytes, which I told you that the pteridophyte is a plant that produces no flower and it also undergoes alternation of generation. And previously I have defined for you the alternation of generation. I said is a life cycle process whereby a plant passes through two lifespans before it completes its duration on the earth. So today we will look at the gymnosperm. The gymnosperm they produce seed. They produce seed, but they do not produce flowers. So they are among the non-flowering plants, the gymnosperm. The gymnosperm also undergo alternation of generation. Alternation of generation. It undergoes alternation of generation. Broadly speaking, these gymnosperm are classified into four major types. Four major types. One is the cycads. The cycads. Two, the ginkgos. The ginkgos. The nidophyte. The nidophyte. Four, the coniferous tree. Coniferous trees. The coniferous trees here include all the pines, all the pines, the spruce, and even the fir. So this is the example of the pine. This is the pine. You can see that the leaves of the gymnosperm are reduced like thread. They are like thread-like structures. Thread-like structures. This is a true plant because it has a true stem, it has a true root, a true leaf, and it has true roots. It has a true leaf, a true stem, and it has true roots. The only thing here is that the seed it produces is exposed. The seed is exposed. It's not enclosed. The seed that is produced here is not enclosed, unlike that of the angiosperm we discussed. The seeds are exposed. But the seed has a strong seed coat, a protective seed coat. Now, the tree itself, this is the gymnosperm itself, is the sporophyte stage. Sporophyte stage. This sporophyte stage contains two cones. Two cones. Cones. That's why they're called cone-bearing plants. They are called cone-bearing plants. It has two cones. One, the male cone, male, and the female cone. The male cone and the female cone. It is the male cone that produces what we call the microspore. The microspore. Microspore. The male cone produces the microspore, while the female cone produces what we call the megaspore. The megaspore. The megaspore. the microspore produces the gametophyte that undergoes undergoes mitosis to produce what we call the pollen grain. The pollen grain. The pollen grain. And it is the megaspore that produces the ovule. The ovule. So okay, I said it is the microspore that produces the pollen grain, and it is the megaspore, that is the female, that produces the ovule. During the pollination, the pollen grain is transferred from this microspore to the ovule, and what happens is that the seed, the embryo is produced, which develops into a seed that has protective covering. So now you can see that the major difference between the angiosperm and the gymnosperm is that the angiosperm is a flowering plant, but the gymnosperm do not produce flowers. And the seed of the angiosperm is enclosed, but the seed of the gymnosperm are exposed. They are in a cone. They are in a cone. They are exposed. But in terms of being true plant, both the angiosperm and gymnosperm are true plants. Why? Because they have the true roots, the true stem, and the true leaves. Thank you very much. But with this, we have covered the plantae. So we'll be going to discuss the animal kingdom in the next class. Thank you for your suggestions. Thank you for your ideas for the comment. Thanks.